Hey guys, I'm back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what Cricket Wireless is doing to help their customers during this time with the whole COVID-19 or coronavirus. I did one with Boost Mobile, and now we're doing one with Cricket Mobile, or Cricket Wireless, should I say. So yeah, let's go into it. A lot of people have said in my previous video, hey, thank you for doing the Boost Mobile one, and thank you that Boost Mobile's doing a lot of things, but what is Cricket Wireless doing for their customers? Can you make a video on that? And I was like, yeah, sure. So if you go to Cricket Wireless, it's gonna be through Cricket Wireless official website. So it's cricketwireless.com. So it says keeping our communities safe and connected, to learn how we're supporting you. And so let's go ahead and get some answers. So like I said, this is on their official website. So this is all information from them. So it says Cricket COVID-19 updates. Now, of course, these updates are subject to change, just in case anything does change later in the future. But so far, this is as of March 26, 2020, making of this video. So it says keeping our community safe and connected. Like I said, this was updated about 2 days ago from the making of this video. It says we are experiencing higher than normal call volumes. To save time, please use the options below. So like I said, same thing, Boost Mobile and other prepaid carriers are having a lot of these higher than normal call volumes. It's true, a lot of people are calling in, maybe they can't make their payment and maybe they have questions about it, vice versa, and all this other stuff. So that is true. And another thing that I said in my previous video, guys, is that a lot of these call centers are actually overseas. So if, let's say, they might be in India or somewhere else, that's not here in the United States, they might be getting more affected than we are, and they're staying home, or they have to shut down some call centers. So of course that will call and make your call wait time a lot longer. Like last time I called, it was at least 30 to 40 minute wait. So that's what Cricket Wireless is telling you right now, that hey, you can use my Cricket app or my account online to pay your bill, manage your lines, edit plans and features, and check your usage from your device and more. So all the things that normally you would have to do, you can do it through their app or through their website here. It says register for an online account if you have not. So you click right here and register. You can visit our support site for answers to common Cricket related questions. So if you have a question, maybe your answer will be right here in the support site. That way you don't have to, hold up the line by asking some, non-conventional conventional questions of like, maybe how do I turn on my hotspot or something like that. That might be answered already there. It says click here to launch our interactive chatbot and get the answers you need. So the chatbot is just a little chatbot. You can also launch it by clicking the green question mark on the bottom right hand corner, which is right here, and that can answer some questions as well. Now, here's the more important stuff right here. We're talking about the billing and payments and service plans, but billing and payments. So what is Cricket offering to help customers who are financially impacted by the pandemic? It's a good question. And the answer that they have is there's a lot of confusion out there about the wireless providers are doing. We're working to make sure you have connectivity you depend on. Now, remember, these are prepaid carriers, guys. Of course, the big four postpaid carriers, or even five, including US Cellular, they're doing a lot of things where they're not cutting you off or waiving a bunch of fees and stuff like that. But remember, these are prepaid carriers, so they don't have as much money as other carriers do. So let's see what Cricket is doing. It says we're automatically waiving the reactivation fee, which is kind of dumb. They shouldn't even have a reactivation fee on prepaid, but that is Cricket Wireless. I feel like Cricket is almost like the Apple of of prepaid carriers, where they charge you for like everything. And so they're waiving the reactivation fee and the automated phone system fee that applies a service payment. So they charge you a service payment, I believe is $3 or $4. I'm not too sure. I'm not with Cricket. But I know Boost charged like $3.98 or something like that. If you did it over the phone, same thing. I just paid my water bill and they charged me about $4 just paid over the phone, which they didn't even waive. So it says additionally, we offer bridge pay. So Cricket does have something called bridge pay, which lets you split your current bill into 2 payments, giving you an additional 7 days to pay. So it gives you an additional week. So maybe you didn't get paid this week, you can do the bridge pay and get paid. You can pay it next week when you get paid, which is pretty cool. It says, do I need to call customer care to get the reactivation fee waived? And their answer is like, no, which is cool. You don't have to call them, so you don't have to wait, an hour just speak to somebody so they can get your reactivation fee waived. It says, if your service has been suspended, make a payment for the balance due and we'll get your service back up and running. So if, like, let's say you have a, $50 plan and your plan gets cut off, or you get, suspended or something like that, you can reactivate by just paying the same amount. So which is very nice. Like I said, usually these reactivation fees, you see it on postpaid carriers, so I'm kind of surprised that even Cricket Wireless offers that stuff, There are faster ways to make a payment. You can sign in to my Cricket app or my account online. Use QuickPay to make a secure payment without signing into your account, or you can call 611 from a Cricket phone, but remember that we'll take you to an automated system, and they're also waiving all those fees. So next question is, what's the best way to pay my bill and manage my account from home? Of course, it's going to be through the Cricket app or through the website. What are some of the ways I can make a payment? Depending on how you want to pay, there's some credit, debit cards, gift cards, Cricket refill cards. So Walmart has like Cricket refill cards. You can just go to Walmart and get a card. Or reloadable prepaid card. Also, if there's local stores still open, some of them are open until like 6 or 7, so you can make your payment that way. But with the whole social distancing going on, you're probably better off just doing it through the app or through the website. What if I like to make a payment in cash? A lot of people don't use credit or debit card, and their answer is, like I said, you can visit a store, or you can get a prepaid gift card. What is Bridge Pay? So Bridge Pay allows you to split your Cricket bill into 2 separate payments as long as you get set up within 7 days before or after the start of your billing cycle. You get 7 additional days to make the second payment. Chat with the customer advocate to set up Bridge Pay. So Bridge Pay doesn't work automatically. You have to call or chat with the customer service rep or advocate, to set up the Bridge Pay. What if I need to print a billing statement? You can do that as well through their website, which is pretty nice now. Next thing, service and plans. This is a really big one, in which I read some of these before and I'm kind of surprised of what Cricket is doing. So let's get into it. It says, I'm not on an unlimited plan. How can I switch? I would be thinking maybe they're offering every customer unlimited data, even if you have the cheapest plan. But they say upgrade your plan is easy with Cricket, my Cricket app, or via my account website. So if you don't have unlimited data, and everybody needs unlimited data around this time, they're not giving you free unlimited data for 30 or 60 days. You actually have to. They're basically saying go ahead and pay more and change your plan, which it's not cool, Cricket. You're supposed to be helping people out. But what do I know? Says, can I buy Cricket phones and rate plans online? Yes. Says, whether you're bringing one line of service or lines from the whole family, it's easy to get a great deal. You can order a smartphone, get a Cricket SIM card, bring your own phone, transfer a phone number, and get a phone number all online. So you can do this online, order everything online, or even go to like Walmart, Best Buy, if they're still open in your locations, and get a Cricket SIM card, and you can do the bring my own phone or your own phone. It says, are there any issues with the Cricket network due to COVID-19? It says, we have a reliable nationwide network and our team are closely monitoring developments in the COVID-19 outbreak. And the next one is a big question, is can I use my phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot? Yes, you can. You have an eligible phone and a qualifying plan. So same thing, they're not even giving you free Wi-Fi hotspot at all. You have to purchase it. So if your plan doesn't have it, it's basically saying go ahead and purchase it, which, like I said, so far they're not really doing too much versus other carriers like Boost. They're giving you like free hotspot and unlimited data, and we'll talk about Metro by T-Mobile after this. But so far I'm not liking too much what Cricket's doing. Yes, they're letting you basically get an extra 7 days to pay your cell phone bill, but that's about it really. Can I get a data device or data only plan to use as a Wi-Fi hotspot at home or on the go? It says we offer Cricket simple data plans with high speed data while home or on the go. Requires a compatible mobile hotspot device. So they do offer mobile hotspot devices, but you basically have to purchase it and pick a plan like normal. Can I use my Cricket service to call friends or family outside of the US? Yes, Cricket offers range of international data plans, so they're not even giving you free international like boost, or even like Metro. They're basically, all they're saying is yes, you can. You just have to make sure you have the plan or purchase it, which kind of sucks. Like I said, they're not really doing too much. So Cricket, to me, they're not, they need to do better with their PR, to tell you the truth. Retail stores are their store closures, and of course, here's a lot of information about it. Authorized retail locations are open from Monday to Friday from 11 to 7, closed on Sundays. Company-owned stores Monday to Saturday from 11 to 7, and closed on Sundays, and everything is closed indoor malls until April 1st. And how are you providing a safe environment for blah blah blah? Basically, they're saying that they're disinfecting everything. And yeah, but overall, guys, I don't like really Cricket's update. And Cricket, is basically it's owned by AT&T, and AT&T has a lot of money as well. They're like the second largest carrier here in the United States. So I'm surprised that they're not doing too much to help customers. They're basically just doing the same, just guiding you to the ways that, hey, you need more data, change your plan. Hey, you need Hotspot, buy a plan with Hotspot. So it's not cool versus other prepaid carriers are giving you free incentives right now to help everybody. I know some postpaid carriers, they're not charge you, they won't even cut you off if you're late 1 month. It's fine, they'll waive the late fees. And like I said, Boost Mobile's giving you Hotspot and data for free. So surprised that Cricket's not doing the same. So shame on Cricket. They need to better to help everybody in this time. So good thing I don't have Cricket. Like I said, I've thought about them, but they just, I don't know. I don't feel like they really help people that much like other carriers do. So shame on Cricket. Do a little bit better. And like I said, next video will be Metro by T-Mobile and see how they're doing. Hopefully they're doing better than Cricket. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Stay safe out there. Thank you.